Alright guys, so these are the ingredients we're going to be using. Here we have some celery, 1.25 pounds of cooked shrimp, probably around this size, about small, medium size, some Old Bay seasoning, a white onion, a lemon, some mayonnaise, pepper and salt for taste, and some Worcestershire sauce. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here it is. Here is my shrimp salad. I hope you guys give it a try, maybe with some crackers on the side. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.